If you love baking and want to make your kitchen work easier, a good stand mixer is a must-have. Today, we're reviewing the 5 best stand mixers that combine power, capacity, and versatility for every baker. For your convenience, links to these 5 products must be given in the video description. Whether you're mixing dough, whipping cream, or blending better, these mixers offer something for everyone. Get ready to find the perfect mixer to elevate your baking game. Let's jump in and explore these top-rated stand mixers. Number 1. KitchenAid Classic 4.5 Quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer. The KitchenAid Classic delivers reliable performance with a 4.5 quart stainless steel bowl, suitable for small to medium baking tasks. It features a tilt head design for easy access to the mixing bowl and attachments. The 250-watt motor supports 10 speeds, allowing precise control for various mixing needs. Includes essential attachments like a flat beater, dough hook, and wire whip. Its compact size fits well in most kitchens without sacrificing power or versatility. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Ideal for home bakers who want consistent results with a trusted brand. Number 2. KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 Quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer. The Artisan Series mixer offers a larger 5-quart bowl capacity for bigger batches and heavier doughs. Equipped with a powerful 325-watt motor and 10 speed settings, it handles everything from whipping egg whites to kneading bread dough with ease. The tilt head design provides easy access to the bowl for adding ingredients or changing attachments. Comes in a variety of colors to match kitchen decor. Compatible with numerous optional attachments, expanding its versatility beyond baking. Known for its durability and iconic design, it's a favorite among serious home bakers. Number 3. Seabury 10-Speed Electric Stand Mixer. The Seabury mixer features a 6-quart stainless steel bowl, larger than many standard models, and is ideal for big baking projects. It offers 10 adjustable speed settings for precision blending, kneading, and whipping. Comes with multiple attachments including a dough hook, flat beater, and whisk for versatile baking applications. The stainless steel construction balances durability with modern style. It's designed for easy operation and cleaning with a tilting head for accessibility. A budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on capacity or functionality for home bakers. Number 4. Gourmet 6.5 Quart 6-Speed Tilt Head Stand Mixer. This Gourmet mixer boasts a large 6.5 quart capacity bowl, making it suitable for large batches and heavy-duty mixing tasks. Its powerful motor supports 6 speed levels to handle various ingredients and textures effectively. The tilt head design allows convenient access to the bowl and attachments like the dough hook and whisk. It includes a splash guard to reduce mess during mixing. The mixer combines functionality with an affordable price point. Ideal for bakers seeking a spacious bowl and reliable performance without breaking the bank. Number 5. Cuisinart SM50 5.5 Quart Stand Mixer. The Cuisinart SM50 style features a robust 800-watt motor paired with a 5.5 quart stainless steel bowl, perfect for all baking needs from light mixing to heavy doughs. Offers 12 speed settings ranging from slow stir to fast whip, providing precise control over every recipe. The tilt-back head design ensures easy access to the bowl and quick attachment changes. Comes with 3 standard attachments: flat mixing paddle, dough hook, and whisk. Known for its quiet operation and durable build quality, suitable for serious bakers looking for power and versatility in one package. A reliable stand mixer can truly transform your baking experience, making it easier and more enjoyable. Each of these 5 mixers offers unique features to suit different baking needs and kitchen sizes. So, for your convenience, the links to these 5 products are given in the video description box and in the comment box. You can check them out. Whether you need a compact model or a powerful machine with a large bowl, there's a perfect option here for you. Don't wait. Upgrade your kitchen today and bake like a pro with one of these top stand mixers.